हेलो एभ्रिवान, नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। सो आज नयाँ ब्लग अँध्यारो भइसक्यो जहाँमा, बट यो ब्लग यो म जहाँ जाने ठाउँमा चाहिँ अँध्यारो रमाइलो हुन्छ होइन। सो म चाहिँ आज तपाईँहरूलाई नयाँ ठाउँ भन्दा नि इट्स अ ओल्ड प्लेस, एभ्रिवान नोज मेबी, बट इफ यु गाइज आर न्यू टु दिस प्लेस you must visit. So it means I'm gonna take you to the one of the best family park in the Dubai. Dubai भन्दैन अब यो स्पेसली अन दुबई एरिया होइन, भेरी इजी एक्सेस फ्रम मेट्रो। सो यहाँ म तपाईँहरूलाई देखाउन गइरहेको छु। सो here we have Max. So it means you have to get down on Max metro stations and you have to go move a little bit further and you will find Jabil Park. Yes, you guys heard me right. I'm taking you guys to Jabil Park. If you guys don't know about Jabil Park, it's located in here. See that? That's one and only Dubai. That's one and only. It's one and only world tallest frame. Hey. So Jabil Park is यही तलको एरियालाई Jabil Park भनिन्छ. So I will get inside the park now, होइन. So this is what I want to show you guys. Jabil Park चाहिँ आएपछि तपाईँहरूलाई 2-in-1 हो के. You can see the Dubai frame also and you can visit Jabil Park also. अनि Dubai frame मा जान चाहिँ you have to pay ticket amount plus to get inside in Jabil Park we need to tap our Noel card. Hey, let's go. So I'm here in the entrance. I need to tap my Noel card. Get number one. I have ticket to Noel card. So पहिला चाहिँ तपाईहरुले ट्याप गरेर हुन्छ नोल कार्ड, अहिले चाहिँ त्यहाँ गएर नोल कार्डले पे गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ. And here I am inside Jabil Park. It's 5 dirham guys. Now you can see a lot of things inside the park. बस्ने ठाउँ, खेल्ने ठाउँ, and let me explore more. Let me go on that side. I have seen lots of statue over there from the metro, you know. Let's me go that side and show you more. Here is kids playing area. Hello. Here we have den inside. Boom. Mostly take kids playing areas. यहाँ पनि हेर्नु न, ए बच्चाहरू खेल्ने एरिया, त्यही बच्चाहरू खेल्ने एरिया. So म चाहिँ अब त्यो साइडमा जाँदैछु. Here you can see mostly kids playing area. Let's me go up. Boom. See? Good thing यहाँ पिकनिक गरेर खान मिल्ने रहेछ हौ. See there, they're having their own place of barbecue and everything. कत्रो ठुलो प्लेस हो कि बाफरे. Let me explore more. यहाँ चाहिँ म छु हैन, 5 दिरहम बस्नु पर्यो नि, 5 दिरहम पुरै घुमेर हैन गाइज. कत्रो ठुलो ठाउँ चाहिँ. If you guys want to come and oh wow, I love it. यिनीहरू चाहिँ साँच्चै पिकनिक स्पट जस्तो राख्यो मलाई होइन. आफ्नो ठाउँसम्म लिएर आएर मजाले खाने स्पट. त्यहाँ हेर्नु त कस्तो मजाले. अनि यहाँ पनि yes, I'm right. See guys, barbecue area. So they already strictly mentioned here no smoking and no pork allowed, so you need to respect that, and we have to bring only chicken, beef, beef. And this is the place you can sit and enjoy your place. Time is the I was not aware of these things and यो पनि रहेछ, तर अब कहिले आउनु पर्यो यहाँ आउनु पर्ने रहेछ. I saw lots of statue before. यसले चाहिँ अलमोस्ट यस्तो बिग राउन्ड छ कि, बिग राउन्ड होइन, वान होल राउन्ड छ होइन. सो बाहिरतिर चाहिँ मान्छेहरू दौडिन्छ पनि कि मजाले. इट्स रनिङ एरिया अल्सो, रनिङ ट्र्याक अल्सो होइन. बगेर मजा आउँछ न. आई लभ दिस प्लेस म्यान. कति ठाउँ बनाएको कि यो बार्बिक्यू एरिया चाहिँ मजाले. यहाँ बस्नु मजा हेर्नु त, खेल्ने ठाउँ. खै ठाउँ चाहिँ एकदम मजाको छ है. आई लभ दिस प्लेस होइन घुम्नलाई. ओ आई मस्ट द बेस्ट प्लेस नाउ. त्यो बाहिरबाट के भयो तर यस्तो रङ्गी बिरङ्गी छ कि होइन. वी हेभ हियर वासरुम अल्सो गाइस. यो चाहिँ मलाई राम्रो लाग्यो कि फुल बिग ग्राउन्ड फर प्लेइङ के. सो 5 dirham तिरेर आएर you can have enough time to play, enjoy everything. So guys, I was looking that place. देख्नुहुन्छ नि तपाईँले किनकि I saw that place from metro, the big statue of birds होइन बिरालोको. अनि I thought it's come all in one place, Jabil parking. So as per the security guard, I asked him, and that's a different park. I had to pay different price for that one. For that sake, man, I will not pay again and again. When I get too much money from my YouTube, then only I'll come and visit that park. But that's nice, man. You can see lots of. There's lots of statue. Okay? So right now I'm going to take you the place near to the Dubai frame. Okay. They just make separate area for this one. Before it was all one a place. यो सबै एउटा प्लेस थियो पहिला चाहिँ होइन. But now they make a separate place for this ones होइन. It's a different attraction place from this one. This is more of all the residents area. This is more of kids areas with I think a very high price. Okay, now I got this one. So the name of this park is Dubai Garden Glow. It was only on that side before with so many dinosaurs and everything. Now they move more towards the main place of main place where you can see actually from metro and people can come and visit. That's what happens to me. I saw it from the metro, so I thought it's all in Jabil Park, but no. Wow. Yeah. Dinosaur. And there's a place to sit also. Oh, wow. So that's all. Oh, dinosaurs. So as per that guy, the cost to enter in this parking is 73 dirham. Fuck man, that's too much. 73 dirham. You can enter in that park. So अब चाहिँ म यता गइरहेको छु to sit on that place. Huh? Oh lo 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 lo. Dear friend. So guys, I'm here. Oh my god, I never. Fuck. कस्तो मजा आयो नि त्यहाँ. So I'm gonna sit on that place where no one is there. MashaAllah. So one step, यहाँ फेरि घाँस. Other step, तल सबै बत्ती राखेको. Other step. होइन त. Wow. दामी छ ठाउँ. 5 dirhamमा तपाईँहरूले यस्तो आनन्दको फ्रेस हावा खान पाइन्छ होइन. Seeing the world one and all in Dubai frame होइन. अनि it's worth it. दामी छ हेर्नु न पुरा खुल्ला छ. मजाको. So guys, it's almost 8 o'clock and I think I almost covered all the places that has to be covered होइन. Because that side I cannot cover because of this different park is Dubai Garden Glow होइन, where you'll find the statue of all the animals, birds. यहाँ चाहिँ simply a residence parking मात्रै होइन, जहाँ चाहिँ you can come have a seat, chit chat, you can have picnic. There are so many space of barbecue and you can see the world tallest frame from your very close होइन. त्यो भित्र जान चाहिँ you have to pay होइन. And I think before 2 years I bought my parents and I already took them there. there's a separate blog of Dubai Garden, sorry, Dubai frame होइन in my channels. You can have and watch there. The link I will mention down below होइन. अनि यसको चाहिँ यति नै हो ब्लग होइन. सो आई इन्जोय इट होइन, टु बी अनेस्ट होइन. र मजाको ठाउँ रहेछ होइन, मजाले घुम्न पाइने हेर्न पाइने होइन. दे ब्लक दिस एरिया अल्सो, सबै ब्लकहरू छ. पहिला यो सबै ठुलो ओपन थियो. यु क्यान पास फ्रम हियर टु द्याट. त्यो ठिकै पहिला चाहिँ तपाईँ यहाँबाट त्यहाँबाट पैसा तिरेर आएर यहाँ पनि के अरे तल जाने हेर्न पाइन्थ्यो. अहिले चाहिँ सायद बन्द भए जस्तो छ आई गेस. यहाँ गेट रहेछ. पहिला यहाँबाट भित्र जान पाइन्थ्यो. नाउ दे क्लोज द एरिया होइन. सो आई थिङ्क यु हेभ टु गो सेपरेट. यो चाहिँ सेपरेट गेट फर दुबई फ्रेम होइन. पुरा अँध्यारो भइसक्यो गाइज होइन. इट्स अलमोस्ट 8 o'clock एन्ड दिस इज द वान फुल भ्यू अफ दुबई फ्रेम. यहाँबाट सिधै जानुपर्छ तपाईँ होइन माथिसम्म. माथिबाट यु विल सी द 2 phase of Dubai के old one and the new one, and the future will be how future will gonna be they execute here. So Chia Baurima ho, Chia Baurima क्यों ना to this be. Boom, Chinese palace. So here we have washroom guys. Anybody want to get washroom? Here is the washroom. So guys, I'm gonna end my video here. This is me, and the back you will see the giant Burj. So not Burj, खाली Burj आउँछ. Giant Dubai frame हैन. र यसका साथ I'm gonna stop my video here हैन. Till then, see you next time bhandai. Love you all, and if you are new to my channels, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get all the new update from my channels. And I'm just a small content creator and exploring Dubai as much as I can हैन. So जहाँ चाहिँ धेरै लागत लाग्दैन, with a simple minimum amount you can visit, you can have fun and spend your time with family. भन्दै आजलाई bye bye.